just wanted to ask you, we used to say a pledge in our school days. Do you remember that?
All Indians are my brothers and sisters.
We used to pray before eating, that's all.
India is my country and
all Indians are my brothers and sisters.
I love my country and I am proud of it, rich and very happy. I shall be proud of it.
Yeah, India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. And I am proud of my country. Okay, that's great.
India is my country. I love my country. It's all Indians are my sister, brothers and sisters.
भारत माझा देश आहे. सर्व भारतीय माझे बांधव आहे. माझं माझ्या देशावर प्रेम आहे.
Yeah, India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country.
Pledge, India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its heritage.
we are brothers and sisters because we have taken birth and that one person, that God, He has given birth to all us.
All Indians are my brothers and sisters.
सभी हिंदुस्तानी मेरे भाई और बहनें हैं और मुझे अपने वतन से प्यार है. All Indians are my brothers and sisters.
So, when we say all Indians are my brothers and sisters, on a larger context, what do you understand by that? What is the message behind it?
Unity, the nation unity, that's what we want to project.
What do you understand by brotherhood?
Supporting, not no violence, non-violent things. That's what we do.
It means that we all are human beings and we have taken our birth in the one nation only, and all world is a part of a nation. Okay, so it's not about that only India, it's about all the world.
So when we say that all Indians are my brothers and sisters, what is the overall message that we get from it? Like how?
Communal harmony. And that says, when you say all Indians are my brothers and sisters, you mean to say that everyone in India is equal. And you treat everyone equally with respect.
Respect and love everybody as you treat your own brothers and sisters.
Okay, one thing I would also like to ask you is, what is your definition of brotherhood?
Treating every person equally with the same respect that you treat your brother, in the way that you treat your brother. Whether he is your brother or not, elderly person or a small kid, you treat him with the same respect how you treat your own brother.
How important it is for a common man to raise his voice against injustice?
It is very important because till you don't raise your voice, how will people come to know whether you're suffering or not? Your suffering will be limited. If you raise, maybe there are people around you who have the same problem, have the same issue.
In today's scenario, when we see there's a lot of disruption between communities, and we see a couple of riots, couple of misunderstandings between different religions, right? So what is a short message that you would like to give to the community to stay together, close, and propagate communal harmony?
You should not get influenced by what they hear from people or the honorable ministers. So they should, within the community, we should support each other and work for the social welfare.
और भाईचारे के लिए हमें इंडिया में क्या करना चाहिए?
इसके लिए अमन और चारा के लिए सब अपना अपना कंट्रीब्यूट करना चाहिए कि सबसे घुल मिल कर रहना चाहिए, तो अमन और चारा रहेंगे.
All are equal. I mean to say, everyone are same. We are living together as a friend and family. Like India is that country. Everyone is living together, right? So much responsibility together, and we have so much helping nature.
Should not think about religions. You should raise your voice, and you should maintain the same power in the people. And we should struggle, and we should fight for the justice.
So do you mean to say that wherever there is injustice, even a common man should raise his voice?
Yes, you can. Some people think like that. You should do not think like that, and you should fight for this.